It is amazing. I have to say, the reason I'm interested is I want to figure out how you do it, because it's very, very interesting. It's beyond anything that I can contemplate.
So when I started LinkedIn, it was really just observing. Okay. And I started, and I still do this a lot. And it's not just, what people call consuming content. It's more really observing and intuitively finding the people who get it and the people who know what they're doing and are successful at what they're doing. And then follow those people, not follow in the sense of, just follow blindly like what they're doing, but watch them and learn from what's working and what's not working. And so I didn't start by just posting and doing all that stuff, because people who do that really have no idea what they're doing, and you do all the wrong things. Similar to how I'm on Instagram, for example. I just started an Instagram account this year, right, a few months ago, and I still don't know what I'm doing, right? But, I post there, from time to time. But I'm observing, I'm watching, and I'm learning that platform as well.